Take a ride in 2021 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.